Today we're tackling one of the most frustrating tech problems, the printer offline error in Windows 10 and 11. This issue affects millions of users, but the good news is you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes without calling a technician or spending money on repairs. We'll walk through 5 simple steps that solve 95% of offline printer problems. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure your printer is powered on and the display shows it's ready. Look for any error lights or messages. If using USB, check that the cable is firmly plugged into both your printer and PC. Try a different USB port if needed. For wireless printers, verify both your computer and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Restart your devices. First, turn off the printer press, the power button, and wait for it to completely shut down. Wait 30 seconds. This allows the printer's memory to clear and reset internal processes. Let's power back on, turn the printer back on, and wait for it to fully initialize, and restart the computer. A simple restart often refreshes the connection between devices. Step 3. Set as default Printer Open Control Panel. Search for Control Panel in the Start menu and click on Devices and Printers. Right-click your printer. Find your printer in the list and right-click on its icon. Set as Default. Select Set as Default Printer. From the menu, you'll see a green check mark appear. Step 4. Clear the print queue. Sometimes print jobs get stuck in the queue, causing the printer to appear offline. Here's how to clear them. Go to Devices and Printers in Control Panel. Right-click your printer icon, select See What's Printing. Click Printer menu. Cancel all documents. You may need administrator privileges to cancel print jobs. Step 5. Restart Print Spooler Service. Open Run dialog press. Win plus R keys together to open the Run dialog box. Type Command Type Services.msc and press Enter to open Windows Services. Find Print Spooler. Scroll down to find Print Spooler in the Services list. Restart Service. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the menu. The Print Spooler manages all print jobs on your computer. Restarting it often resolves communication issues between Windows and your printer. Success! Your printer is back online. Congratulations! Following these 5 steps should have resolved your printer offline issue. Your printer should now be working perfectly with Windows 10 or 11. If you like this guide, hit the like button if these steps helped you get back to printing. Subscribe my channel, The Best Tech Experts, and get notified about more quick tech fixes and troubleshooting guides. Comment below if you'd like videos on Wi-Fi router problems, computer speed optimization, or other tech troubleshooting topics. Thank you for watching.